For all you subway riders in Toronto, you know how frustrating it can be when your train moves at a snail's pace or comes to a near stop. As Nick Westoll tells us, more of those dreaded slow zones could be on the way, as crews are now ramping up rail checks.
At the TTC's Line 2 subway yard, some unusual accessories are being installed on this train.
So this is our track geometry measurement system that also collects rail wear data.
Jason McCarthy and his team are here from South Carolina with an intricate scanning and camera system.
This is the laser that projects the line over the rail.
Measuring down to just millimeters, this week they're checking the TTC's 141 kilometers of tracks.
So you got a template of what the rail is supposed to look like, and comparing to the actual measured sample that's underneath right now.
In the train above, detailed diagrams are created.
These red and blue and yellow markers indicate certain areas of the rail of interest.
And problem areas are flagged for repairs. One of the common issues is when the space between tracks is
being spread out too far outside of specification.
But fixing all this isn't easy. As we've reported before, the TTC has had to bring trains to a crawl at spots across the network. Many times, it's happened because of these deep scans.
My apologies do go to the customers because we totally appreciate the inconvenience that it does have. I will say, though, that this is meant for safety.
Spokesperson Fort Monaco says annual scans are now going to be done twice a year to catch problems sooner.
Just because of the restricted speed zone, it doesn't mean it's unsafe. It's safe because of the restricted speed zone.
Recently, Boston was able to get rid of all the spots where trains were forced to slow down.
Is there a scenario in which the TTC could ever get to a point where there's zero restricted speed zones?
Nick, I think the aspirational thing is to think a little differently than what we've currently been thinking. In my conversations with Boston, some of their closures lasted as long as 21 days.
Something Monaco admits would be hard to do here.
We need to increase our maintenance window and be a little bit more creative because the current formula right now, we think really needs challenging.
So TTC staff tell me that the results of these inspections should be in within the next couple of months. At Greenwood Yard, Nick Westoll, City News.